Okay, now teeth whitening. You see on the shelves a lot of teeth whitening opportunities for people to just pick up in the drugstore. But really, do you do this at home, or is it something you do at a doctor's office if you're serious about doing it right?
Okay, Lawrence, it depends on a patient's commitment. You know, for home whitening, a patient needs to be very committed to the treatment because they need several of the whitening trays for several days. And because it doesn't have a barrier between your gums and your teeth, sometimes your teeth can be super sensitive even with one treatment. Versus in the dental office, they put a rubber dam which protects your gums, and it makes it much easier for you to do the whitening.
I've started seeing this guy who wanted to take out the amalgam fillings, the metal fillings that had mercury, and put in composites. It changes the structure, it feels, of your tooth. When you're dealing with taking out fillings, what's the story? If people need to go to composites right now? You know, amalgams, the city has major fines putting amalgam in the sewage system. So if something cannot be put in the sewage, you know, definitely it should not be placed in the mouth because it has the mercury, it has the danger. But if you have existing amalgam fillings, should you start taking them off? No. Only the ones which are faulty, they need to be changed, of course, because they could be leaking. But, you know, it's safe to take them out, replace them with composite, and composite is a much better material of choice because it has the same coefficient of expansion as your tooth, so it does not expand or contract when you have hot and cold, so it creates less fractures in the tooth. Because you're seeing people like in their 50s and 60s now who their teeth are cracking because they had the metal. I wanted to keep the metal because it's silver, you know, but they wouldn't let me because of the mercury, actually. But this is very good to know. And if there's more things that any of the people that are watching today want to find out about you and your practice, we encourage them to check you out on the web. There's a couple of places. WellnessSecrets.tv is a good place to start. And Dr. Pai, well, her offices are in Palo Alto. Her phone number is there on the screen. And if you want to visit, just call. Now, this wrinkle in time, can't give it no credit. Coming up, we talk headache pain relief for when you feel like your heart is crammed in your cranium and it still knows how to pound. That and more when Living Well continues. We're back in moments. Dr. Pai, thank you so much for coming in.